Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. So guess what? I'm at Kissell's. This is the Chilli cook-off. Now they are prepping for this. This is a big deal here at Kissell's in Pennsylvania. So if you haven't been here and you haven't seen the crew, you got to get here. Kissell's is fantastic. So again, a lot of bikes, a lot of chili going to happen. Let's get into this. Later. Bye. Hey everybody, Life's Journey at 50 here. Guess who I have here? Josh, GM, owner of Kissell Motorsports. Josh, Chilli cook-off.
Chilli cook-off.
What else is going on here?
Well, we've got huge discounts on in-stock apparel. We have door prizes and just an overall good time celebrating the holiday season.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Give us a little count. How many people do you think is going to do this Chilli cook-off? It's a lot of stuff
we have
here.
about 25 people registered to actually participate in the Chilli cook-off, and then we've had about 120 RSVPs to attend to them.
So think about that, folks. We got about 25 contestants that are going to try to get the best chili voted for. Then he's got over 125 people coming to the event. So and that's just RSVPs, let alone people that straggle in here. So that's pretty awesome, right?
Pretty awesome for being out in the middle of nowhere in central Pennsylvania.
And by the way, it had a snowstorm last night, right? So that was always fun. So hey, if you guys want to deal with a fantastic dealership, come to Kissell. It's not out of your way. Make the effort. Josh and the team will take care of you, right?
Appreciate it, Matt.
All right,
yes, we will.
Appreciate it. All right. All right, folks. This is where the Chilli cook-off is going to happen. Can you imagine this? There's going to be 25 contestants, as Josh just stated. We're going to have over 125 people here. This is going to be fantastic. This is the stuff that Kissell puts on for everybody, and it's always a great time. The guys, the whole gang here is fantastic to work with. So if you haven't been to Kissell's, come out to Kissell's, and we'll see you soon. Take care. I got a former GS Trophy 2016 team member here. Got Mike over here, who has tried out for the trophy teams as well. He's been a competitor. That's all right. You're a competitor. Went to Germany, right? You went to Germany. Fantastic. All right, you guys getting a little closer here. Let me do this. So, what do you guys think of Kissell's?
Love Kissell.
Yeah, great place
people.
to deal with.
Josh and the team's fantastic, aren't they?
Yep.
I'm going to look at a
There we go.
990 while we're here today that they have.
Yeah.
What?
990.
Yeah, he's looking at one, and I
Wow.
look at the 1300 pretty hard.
Think about that, folks.
Great people to deal with.
Great riders, great people, but even better, we're at Kissell. Josh and the team are fantastic, right, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah,
great.
and we're going to go out and ride later today.
Yeah.
Some people maybe. I don't know. I got long haul. If you think Kissell is only about BMW, that is so wrong. Look at all these betas in here. He's one of the largest beta dealers in the country. And look at the inventory he has on betas. So if you're looking for dual sport, doing something out in the single track stuff, this is the place to be right here. So take a look at all these bikes out here. Wow, fantastic. Getting ready to walk into their new showroom floor. They have everything you can possibly see in here. Let's take a look at this. All right. Are we all judges here?
Yeah, I are.
This is the judges table. All right. I'm
Certified.
here. Certified?
Josh was wash my hands. Josh was looking for someone else. That's a good idea. This is going to be a lot harder than counting dabs and drop bikes.
I'm going to take a walk over here. We're going to watch the judges select their items. Look at this. All right. These are all the crock pots. Everything's lined up over here. Okay.
A lot of you know Jordan, a lot of you don't. A lot of you have been following him, what he's been doing. And there's an international competition called the GS Trophy competition. And Jordan had, you got to go through a whole qualifying process. You had to go to Germany to compete. And, you know, it takes a lot of courage, quite honestly, to throw yourself out there and do that. The commitment to training. I'm super impressed, okay, and happy to do what we're about to do. Not only that, but he's been to Soggy Bottom 8 or 9 years. I've heard him say, "I'm Kissell till I die." Yeah. Okay. We bought the dealership in 2017. He had this Team USA jersey made for us that we're going to get framed and hung up here. But on behalf of, I don't know why I'm emotional. On behalf of everyone at Kissell Motorsports, we have a gift certificate for you for $1,000. Oh, wow. Okay?
Wow.
We want to support you, whether you need a jacket. It's not redeemable for cash. Yeah. Okay? But a jacket or helmet.
Well, the cash would go to the same thing.
Whatever you need, brother. And we're just behind you the whole way. And so he's going to be competing in Romania for Team US, the international
team. Yeah, supporting USA, obviously.
Yeah. So super excited and rock on, man. Thanks.
You having fun? All right.